Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into the world of Fiverr and see if we can find someone who will build us a great looking, high converting, professional Shopify dropshipping store for us. Maybe you suck at creating a store on Shopify and you just need the help, or maybe you're a little bit lazy like me and you're watching this video to procrastinate from building your own store. Whatever the reason is, you're in the right place. So let's jump right into the computer and see if Fiverr is a suitable way to get your hands on a winning dropshipping store. Now, I've taken the money that I'm going to spend on this video out of my groceries budget for the week, so I would really appreciate it if you guys just let the video play through. That way the video gets that sweet YouTube watch time, and that way the video might get recommended more, and maybe, just maybe, at the end of the week, I'll be able to buy a loaf of bread. So with that in mind, let's go waste some of my money. Let's jump right into Chrome here and go Fiverr. Perfect. All right, we're going to go Shopify dropshipping. Oops. There we go. Let's take a look at these. I will do Shopify winning product research for dropshipping. No, I want someone to build me a site. Let's go. Is there a sort by best selling? This is more like it at $47. That's much better. Join Fiverr? No, thank you. I will design 7-figure Shopify website or Shopify dropshipping store. That looks a bit ordinary. Let's keep scrolling down and see what we can find. $3,000. I will create high quality Shopify dropshipping store. Pro verified. Wow, I would not waste $3,000 on something you can do yourself. Pro tip, it costs you nothing to get a Shopify free trial. We're not really having much luck. Let's talk up Shopify dropshipping store. Build Shopify dropshipping store. This might be better. Let's go by best selling again, see what we get. We want to go to someone who has plenty of experience, plenty of sales. 3 reviews, 87 reviews. I will set up a Shopify store or Shopify website design. I don't really know if I like the look of that. Was that a Pokemon card site? Wow. I don't think you can really go selling Pokemon cards. One product, Shopify dropshipping store. Oh, here we go. I will create one product Shopify store, Shopify dropshipping store. $68. Let's go over here. What's his actual? Okay. These look like landing pages made by Gem Pages. Basic, simple one product store. One product Shopify dropshipping store with free theme, plus logo, plus full app, plus 4 pages. I assume that's just a FAQs, returns, about us page. 3-day delivery, 3 revisions. One product, responsive design. What is the other packages? Unlimited revisions, 5-day delivery, 6-day delivery, premium. Yeah, I'm broke. Let's go with the basic. I don't want to waste that much money. Alrighty, let's go continue. Do I want to add any extras? Additional revision, additional plugin installation, branding. I will do logo, all-in-one product slider, and name and description like a brand. I'm wondering what he's going to do if I don't tick that box. I will do a logo on all product slider images and name and description like a brand. I think I kind of need that, honestly. This might be a waste of $100, eh? Let's go continue to check out. Email, username. Have I ever made a Fiverr account? That's the question. Whoop, doesn't look like it. There we go. Submit requirements to start your order. Alrighty, here we go. I have everything I need to have. The shop name, the store link, store email, store password. He should be able to access it from there. This is a link to the AliExpress. I haven't set the shop up in any way whatsoever yet. It says logo. I said haven't created a logo yet. If you'd like to create one, you can. Otherwise, text is fine. Try to make the store cute. That's all I really wanted to do. Start order. Order's all set. I told him what I want. I gave him the details. He'll probably be in contact with me throughout the next couple of days. Otherwise, I'll check back with you in 3 days. So, future me, we'll see you then, and hopefully I have something good to show you. Alrighty guys, I'm back. The website is done. It's been 2 or 3 days. It didn't take too long at all. Got a completely different outfit on. I have to head off in a couple minutes, so this is going to be very fast, but since it's done, I'm really excited. I want to show you all how it turned out, and let's see if I got my money's worth. So I haven't seen this yet at all, except a little tiny glimpse of the front page while I was setting it up to show you all, but This is going to be a first-time experience for both you and me, so let's get right into it and let's see if we've got our money's worth. Alrighty. Jumping into the computer, front page. Not bad, I'm actually quite impressed. I asked the guy just to make it cute, and he's definitely come through with that. He's got a nice like salmon pink color scheme going on. He actually did make a logo. It's just text logo, but he still made a logo, which is pretty good. He's got all the pages we need. Let's just scroll down the home page for now. There's a few things I would change, but so far so good. Got some nice quality product photos. Alrighty, our narrative, high quality stationery organizer. I'll probably change some of the words here. Instead of us call it a pencil case, everyone knows it as a pencil case or a stationery bag or something like that. The descriptions are decent. I'm not sure what his like level of English is, whether or not he's fluent, but I'll probably adjust a few of the descriptions a little bit. There we go. Keep scrolling down. He's got call to actions the whole way down the page, and he's using, I don't know if he's using gem pages or not. We'll jump into the apps afterward and see. Got good product photos. Oh, I liked how that loaded in. They're all kind of loaded in one after the other. And then he's got the actual product here. Very nice. He even chose a price, $19.99. I'll probably adjust all of these. Yeah, oh, we added reviews in. Look at that. We've got some reviews off the go. So far, so good. I'm quite impressed. Things I'll change, but otherwise, it's not a bad effort. Definitely hit the cute on the mark. Our policies, customer care. There we go. I'll probably get rid of the Powered by Shopify, but you know, we'll get rid of that later. Let's hit shop now, see what it takes us to. It takes us to the product page. Perfect. And once again, a lot of variants. Dr. Bear. Oh, kind of cute. Yeah. Okay. Cat, bear, duck. Is that a duck or a chicken? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, I guess. Always got a GIF in the description. Very nicely done. Alrighty, let's check out the About Us page. Client satisfaction is paramount. We strive in giving you the best product at a great price. But it's using some big words here. Pragmatism. We design a simple, useful solutions for common needs. I'm very happy with it so far. Let's hit contact us. Email at info@kawaii pop-up case. I don't even have that email actually. Oh, he's even got a nice cute order tracking page. I don't know what this is at the bottom. This site is not part of Facebook website or Facebook Inc. Additionally, the site is not endorsed by Facebook in any way. Facebook is a trademark of Facebook Inc. I don't know what that's about. Maybe for legal reasons he put something there. I have no idea. I'm very impressed. No, that's great. So let's have a look at what it's for like on mobile. Go over to mobile. Alrighty. Again, I don't know what this organize your things is. It's not centered. I don't know how I feel about that. But that's all changeable. How are we going for time? Yep, I'll quickly go through this. I like how everything loads in. Yes. Detail stitching, strong zip line. No, I like it. This is great. I'm going to do a little bit of work to this, and then maybe in another video, I'll run some ads to it, hey? Alrighty, eProlo. That's how he uses. I thought he might be using gem pages, but he's using eProlo. Pretty much the same thing. Luke's reviews, parcel panel, privy, pop-up, email, and SMS. I did see that. They had the chat with us section. I obviously haven't said that myself, so I'll probably have to make an account with it. Or I'll just get rid of it. Ultimate sales boost. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I think this came just shy of $100. So probably be like $65 US. And it was actually quite a nice site. It took a couple days to come in, but other than that, it's actually very clean, suits the product. It's got nice pink, kind of coincides with all the images. Alrighty guys, that's time for me. I've got to head off in just a moment. But otherwise, the store was pretty good. This is easily something I could have done myself. However, it is nice to see what other people would do and what their take on it is. My only instructions to this guy was make it cute. And he seems to have hit that on the head pretty nicely. Like with this, I'd say that he photoshopped this together. Otherwise, it looks great. I'm very impressed. So let me know in the comments if I should run ads to the store or if it's just a waste of time. Who knows? Alright, I'm going to head off right now. So if you stayed through this video this long, you're a legend. I appreciate you so much. Hit that like button and subscribe. Comment something down below, whatever you want. Let me know who you are. That way I can thank you all for staying this long. Alrighty, catch you later. See you in the next video.